welcome to my channel once again. In today's video we will learn how to troubleshoot an error that comes if you are using the Xbox app on Windows 10. You may get a sign in error and you won't be able to sign into. You will get an error code, and that happens because of the services of Xbox app are not working properly or they are not enabled. That is the reason you are getting that error message. I'll show you the error code, and you will also notice that you are unable to sign into Xbox Live through the app. So if you see on the screen, that is the error code which you get when you try to sign into Xbox app on Windows 10. So in order to fix this problem, you need to check if the services of Xbox app are enabled. You need to open a run window by pressing Windows key and push letter R and type msconfig and press enter. Click on the services tab and just look for Xbox service. Click on any service and press X on the keyboard, so it will take you to any service that starts with X. So we have these services which are Xbox services. We will have to put a check in the boxes to enable them, and then click on apply and then click OK and simply restart the computer. Sign into your computer. Okay, we can go to services now. So press and hold the Windows key and push letter R. And in the run box you need to type services.msc and click OK. We need to make sure if services are enabled and running in the services window. So simply click on anything and press X to check the Xbox services. So there are about 4 Xbox services and they are not running. So we will have to start all services. So we can double click on the first one first, and this service is stopped, so we can click on start. Okay, so this service has started now. We'll click on OK. Same way we will click on the second service to open it and simply click on start and then click OK. Now do the same thing with the third service. So highlight it, and you can also click on start from here. If you look at the top left corner, once the service is highlighted and you want to start the service, you can click on start here also. Okay, when this service is started, now the last one, select that and click on start the service. So all Xbox app services are started now. You can close the services window and now try signing into the Xbox app. Hopefully you will be able to sign into the Xbox app. And that's all I wanted to show you in this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please click the like button if you like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you again. You have a great day. Bye bye.